Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold5 and today I would like to show you how you can find all text correction options. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Now just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and manage all of those typing options however you want to. You can also scroll down, click on More Typing Options and manage all of them the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!